I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Classroom and selecting the correct class. This ensures submissions map to the right roster. Once done, click Create and choose Assignment so you control attachments and points. You should attach files or links now because students need resources immediately. Add a title and concise instructions explaining what to submit and why. Make sure to pick the grading category and due date before moving on, as those settings affect student notifications and your gradebook organization. Next, focus on configuration. Attach necessary files or paste a link and decide whether students get editable copies. This determines workflow and prevents accidental edits. Once attachments are set, choose points, add a rubric for consistent grading, and assign a topic to help students find the work. You can optionally add private comments for specific students now. Make sure to review who the assignment is assigned to, individuals, groups, or the whole class, because that controls visibility and submission expectations. Finally, assign or schedule the assignment and confirm the recipients and due time. This sends notifications and posts it to the class stream. Once posted, use the Preview as Student feature to confirm attachments and permissions work as expected. If you receive access errors, immediately reopen the assignment, adjust drive sharing to anyone with link, or reattach properly owned copies, then re-notify students. One troubleshooting tip: check that files are in a shared drive or owned by your account to avoid permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.